Okay, we are recording. So, certain somebody arrived just now. I'm probably stressing you out. All this noise. But I'm pretty excited. Oh my gosh. You are a little jerk, aren't you? Come on. Okay. Sorry, little guy. I know, you're probably weirded out. Whoa. But this is my unboxing video. Ooh. Her. Just kidding, just kidding. Drop off the table, please. That would be really upsetting to me. But yes, this is my dining room table that I don't use ever, so I figured I might as well. I really hope he's alright. Back, still warm. I got this little guy from Reptile Rapture. Ta-da! Oh, he's in a bag. Cold. I hope he's okay. I guess we'll find out. Yes, this is my old crappy sweater. Sorry. You know, I always look like crap on the videos. No. Oh no, I think he's dead. Hey, little guy. You okay? He's not moving. Oh, there he goes. I think he's scared and cold. Hey, little one. Oh, you're so cold. Oh, you're very cold. Okay. I'm shaking. That was really scary because he's very cold. So I'm going to put him in now. Let's me touch his head. Oh, can't have my face in the video. So we touch his head. You know, he's not head shy at all. He's a little cold. Okay. It's okay, Quetzal. So I'm pretty thrilled. He's fine, he's alive. That just scared me. He was upside down, actually. So it kind of weirded me. I don't know if you can see him. There he is. Look, he's so dumb. He's kind of weirded out. He's not too sure what's going on. He just fits in my hand. Warm it up. I know, it's cold outside. I know, I'm sorry. It's okay, my hands are nice. I'll take some pictures of you and then you can go in your new house, okay? You're a darling. Pretty exciting. He's not head shy. I know, I know. He's so beautiful. This makes me really glad that I got him, that he's okay. Still not quite sure what's going on. Who is this person? Why are they holding me? Why was I cold? I don't understand. You're gorgeous. Yes. He's very soft. Cool. Okay. I'm going to take some pictures of him. But Quetzal is here. He's very cute. Yeah, when I opened the bag, he was upside down inside the bag. And I was very, very, very afraid that he had died. Because it's very cold outside. It's, like 12 degrees, which is freaking cold. And, you know, ball pythons are, of course, tropical, so they can't really do the whole, very cold scene. He's warming up. Just don't want to scare him. But he's pretty relaxed, he's pretty chill. He's not quite sure what to make of all of this yet. You were cold. You know, I wouldn't have been surprised if you had died. My goodness. I know. No. You can't jump off. Jumping is not allowed. It was such a big little head. Hey, babyface. What are you doing? You can't see him down there yet. I think he's just gonna jump, I think. There he is. But he's here, and I'm really happy. Touch your head? Oh, you're not so sure about that. Not now that you're warm, anyway. That's him. He is a normal ball python. What, did you think I might be tasty? I'm not. I'm a bit too big for you as well. He is a normal ball python. You know. Eventually I'll have pictures of handling and all of that stuff. I can't figure out what to do with this camera. Okay. He's a little slow moving. He was very cold in there. I think he's just not quite sure what to do. Alright. So I'm gonna get off. He's being a bracelet.